Hello everybody, welcome to iExamB. Embrace the iExamB learning experience. In this video, I am going to talk about the AIC Management Trainee exam for IT stream. We are going to discuss the details and in the end, I am going to share a study plan with you. So we'll have a brief understanding of the entire exam and also I'll give you an idea of the syllabus, the study plan in the end. I have created a document which can help you in understanding all the details related to this exam. This is attached in the description. You can download from this and check out all the details. First of all, let's look at the eligibility for information technology stream. For information technology, you can be a BE, BTech, ME, MTech in computer science, information technology, or you can be MCA from recognized university with minimum 60% marks in either of the degree examination for unreserved category OBC EWS and 55% for SC, ST, PWPD candidates. In addition to the above minimum qualifications, the following essential and desirable skills are also required. Essential skills with supporting certification, at least in any one of the below mentioned skills is required. You should have either software development skills, Angular, J2EE, MySQL, PLSQL, Java, full stack. In any of these, you can check these out, or network administration, or system administration, or information security. And desirable skill is experience with respective essential skill. So essential skill is any one of the skill should be there. Any one of these following certification should be there. Now coming to your exam guide, you will have information about the organization in this guide, about the career growth or hierarchy at AIC. You will be joining as administrative officer over here. After that, you will become assistant manager. Then there is possibility of deputy manager, manager, regional manager, deputy regional manager, general manager, and at the top you have chairman or MD. Coming to emoluments and benefits, selected candidates will be paid a consolidated pay of rupees 60,000 per month for their services in the company as management trainee. On successful completion of management trainee period and subsequent absorption as scale 1 officers, basic pay will be rupees 50,925 and approximately gross emolument will become rupees 90,000 per month. Coming to training period, which is of 1 year, the trainee shall be eligible for the post of administrative officer on completion of the training period subject to satisfactory work performance. The management trainee absorbed as scale 1 officer after completion of training period. So as you join as management trainee, that is your training period of 1 year, and then after 1 year you will become administrative officer, which is scale 1 post. You can fill this online application form from 30th of January to 20th of February. Your online exam can be tentatively in March or April 2025. This will be released on AIC's website. There are 20 vacancies for IT stream and have already discussed the eligibility with you. Coming to the selection procedure, there is a single level online examination, computer based test, and after that there is interview. The computer based test is of 150 marks of 2.5 hours and then your interview is of 50 marks. In your computer based online examination, you have reasoning, English, current affairs, quantitative aptitude, professional knowledge and descriptive test. The first 4 subjects, reasoning, English, current affairs and quantitative aptitude, is 10 questions of 10 marks each. Your professional knowledge has the highest weightage. 100 questions are there of 100 marks. The duration of this paper is 120 minutes. There is a consolidated time given. Then you have descriptive English test, which is of 10 marks and there are only 2 questions, essay and précis. The duration of this is 30 minutes. The descriptive test will be only in online mode. There is 1/4 negative marking present in the exam for objective questions. After that, there is interview. Interview marks are 50. Minimum qualifying marks in the interview for final selection is 25. Candidates will be shortlisted for interview in the ratio of 1:3. Now coming to your syllabus and approach, a little bit of your study plan. Since there are 5 subjects that has to be prepared along with descriptive English, I have given you an 8-week study plan. Now this is a week-wise study plan. You can divide your time in 2 parts. You can give 60% of your time to professional knowledge portion, which is your operating system data structure. And if you're appearing for multiple exams, you have already appeared for other exams in the IT stream, then this will be an easy exam for you. Now here, go through the professional knowledge portion, revise all your areas very thoroughly. There are 100 questions of 100 marks. I've given you week-wise topics. Let's say you are devoting 7 to 8 hours to your studies. If that is the time that you are allocating, then devote 3 to 4 hours on your professional knowledge part. And after that, the remaining 3-4 hours can go for your QRE, GA and descriptive English preparation. You can even give less time to this portion and more time to your professional knowledge. You can vary this as per your strengths and weaknesses. I am giving you a week-wise topic, so one day you can go for shortcut tricks, another day you can go for blood relations, inequality, and you can practice some of the puzzles. In English, you can write one essay and go through rules of grammar. In GA, Union Budget and Economic Survey is very recently released, so go through them thoroughly in the first week. Second week onwards, go through the current affairs. So you can check the study plan out. This will give you an idea of the syllabus as well. Now here, if you have any queries with respect to this exam, any doubts, you can mention that in the comment below. You can also reach out to us on this number. At iExamB, we are offering courses for IT stream for various exams. We have courses for preparation of this exam, AIC, MT, IT. Also, we help in the preparation of SEBI IT, NABARD IT, IBPS, SOIT exam. You can check out our various courses. You can enroll with iExamB and make your preparation 50% faster. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned.